All right, y'all. Now since the smoke has kind of blown over, we've had the initial drop of the fire red 5s.
Yep.
All that good stuff. They sat, you know what I'm saying, restocks happen, whatever the situation may be. Now we can get off into talking about the details and enjoying the beauty of this sneaker, the nostalgia of this sneaker. So today, we ain't gonna talk about no stock numbers. We ain't gonna talk about whether they fitting or not. We just gonna take a look at a piece of history when it comes to this Air Jordan 5 fire red black tongues, bro. Hey, if you got this sneaker, you holding on to some nostalgic history, fam. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be unboxing officially detailed look of this sneaker. We're gonna talk about sizing, talk about all that great stuff when it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, this is a sneaker that I feel like that if you bought it, especially at full price, if you copped this sneaker, you wanted it. You feel what I'm saying? This is a sneaker that you've been waiting for. And if you're an OG person like me, you in your 40s, you know, 45 or something like that, late 30s, this is a sneaker that you've been waiting for it to retro again, especially when it comes to some of the details that are minor to the newbies, but major to us OGs. You feel what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and talk about it. So as you guys can see right here, we're gonna start with this box. You do have a Jordan box right here. You got the Jumpman logo, clean, perfect. You know what I'm saying? You got the Nike branding on the side of that box, as you guys can see right there. Here go the size tag. This is a size 12. When it comes to sizing, you can pause the video if you need to legit check that pair. I think it should be focused, I hope, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to sizing, I go true to size. That's my personal opinion. I feel like it works well. I don't feel like that, and I feel like it helps with the creasing and stuff like that to prevent some of it, because your foot, even if it is close to the toe box, it can kind of be like a crease protector, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below. Now we got Spickle Spackle on the side and then black on the bottom. As we go ahead and open up this box, we do have that black paper that's gonna be in there on these things, cheap paper, nothing major. And then we have the shoes. And with the shoes, you're gonna have this divider right here, right? You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Nike, for not wrapping these things up like a rubber, bro. Like, man, I feel like they protecting these shoes for some type of virus or something. Like Nike has been giving us 4-5 pieces of paper. Thank you for not doing that. But we're gonna go ahead and take these shoes out of the box. When you take them out of the box, you do have a quality control sticker and a lot number. So as you guys can see right here, there go the lot number right there on the inside, and then the quality control sticker is going to be right there on the inside of it. Bam. So we're gonna put this to the side. That is it with the box. Boom. We have the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red in the black tongue colorway, bro. Like, this one is clean. I ain't even gonna lie. A lot of you guys been saying, dude, I don't need this one. I need the reflective tongue. And it's, hey, it's all on preference, but nonetheless, this is the one we got. 2006 and 2013 is the last two times it was retro, and then 1990 was official release date. But let's go ahead and start on this back end, boy. Hey, look, you can't go wrong. Look at that Nike branding on that booty. Ooh-wee. Black Nike branding on the back end. OG. You feel what I'm saying? You got the 2-3 on the side, and that is iconic, bro. That is the thing that's been missing from a lot of these sneakers. The past 2 releases did not have this Nike branding on the back, so that's huge for a lot of people. And then you got the 2-3 on the side. White Cajun on the side of these, that's gonna yellow ASAP, but right now, that thing looks beautiful. You feel what I'm saying? And of course, the black tongue, that puffy black tongue with the red Jumpman logo right there. Can't go wrong with that. Of course, you do have that red sock line, as you guys can see right there. You got the Air Jordan behind the tongue. See right there, super clean. Black insole, I think. Yes, black insole with the Nike branding. On the bottom of these things, we do have the Nike Air. As you guys can see right there, Nike Air branding with the Jumpman logo with that translucent clear bottom right there. Super clean. On the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing. Y'all see that Air unit right there. The red is more of a blood red. I like that. I think the 2006 version, at least it was a little bit more bolder, vibrant red. I do like what they did on here. I think they made it a little bit darker, which is true to OG, which is perfect for me. And then let's talk about this leather quality. So Great 5s, I feel like the Great 5 leather was kind of stiff, and I feel like 5s in general, leather quality be plastically, right? They be like plastic. But this right here, look at this. Hey, this is some decent leather quality when it comes to the 5. So shout out to Nike, man, for getting it right, man. This shoe is fire. You got the lace lock right there, clear with the Nike branding. Got the red right there with the lace lock, super clean. All in all, in my opinion, you guys see some little B-roll of these things. Super clean sneaker, versatile. If you don't have, I know we got a lot of black, red, and white Jordans in our collection, but this one right here was a staple and is a staple for a lot of people. I do understand why a lot of people have to have it in a collection just because it is a fire colorway. For me, the Jordan 5 is not my favorite silhouette, but again, like the black metallic 5s, like the great 5s, and then you throw these in the line, these are like a must cop for a lot of people. So glad that anybody that wanted to add these to the collection was definitely able to add these to the collection. Now, I will tell you this, I don't think Jordan 5s are the most comfortable sneakers. That's just my opinion. Like I said, for sizing, I do go true to size in these and don't have a problem at all. QC wise, I don't see anything wrong with these sneakers. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, they are pretty much spot on. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about these things. Did you cop them? Did you not? Did you drop them? Are you gonna pick them up? Did you get them for resale? Did you get them for retail? Let me know below. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. I am gonna out of here, man. Y'all know the things, man. Rock what you like, now what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these fire reds, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the fruit for OGs in the